Hi folks, this is another intraday market review. In this case, live example. And let me show you the entry before I get started. So this was the entry here, just escaping because normally I don't trade the London session. I only focus on the New York because that is most at times where the this real move comes from. So what I'm seeing here, look at it. So this is where I entered. My stop loss is here, and I was targeting this highs. So just escaping. At least 1 to 3 is bagged this morning, and yeah, let's review it. So normally I don't use phone. I don't use all my trade are based on mobile phone, my MT5, because on the MT5 I can go as many as time frame I want without any restriction. I can go to 2 minute time frame, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on. So without being paid or pay for any of um, premium services. So, but basically, what I do like on using phone is the flexibility on it. Like you can take your phone anywhere, then open the chart, you see what is happening. It's very, that's why the fact that it has a screen constraint, like the wideness of the screen is not something that it's something else. So it's not wide, then you're not seeing enough data. I'm used to it. So what you're seeing here is how I take this what life example. And from the previous one, we are seeing that okay, I'm highlighting some levels that I don't want to see a candle body closure, above or below a certain level. So there's something behind it. I'm not just saying that um because of some logic, but there are some something there that I'm looking for, that if the algorithm does this, then I'm not interested in it. I think this is very important in trading. Like you should have anything like okay, if this is if this has occurred, then maybe we are not interested. We are just waiting for the next line of action. So in this example, I'm just explain every detail on how this execution was what taken, or why this entry was taken. So this is on the 1 minute chart, and I was on the 15-minute time frame. So this is EURUSD. So if you could remember, these are all my high time frame narrative that I'm still expecting a bearishness. So those are the lines on forward that okay, I don't want to see a body closure here, or the highest it can trade is this or this, but I don't want to see a body closure above it. So those are my levels. So on the 15-minute time frame, so on my London session, I think I was here at 4 a.m. So I saw this move to the upside. Now what happened? We have this fair value gap. So I was on this fair value gap and on M1. So but on my mobile MT5, I was using the M2 time frame. So that is why you could see if you can see this, look at this entry here. So this why you could see this. So I entered here on the 2 minute. If you can see this 2 minute time frame. So here on the 1 minute time frame, I'm just want to explain some concept here. It's very what unique. Um, this is my favorite, 15-minute favorite look up. Look at it here. What this what candle? Look at this bullish candle. Once it has what occur like this? You see this line? See this line? You see this line? This is where I don't want to see a body closure below. So we are seeing it. So this is the next, this is the highest point it can go. And I don't want to see a body closure below it. I don't want to see a body closure below this. I don't want to see a body closure below it. So the next candle, what happened? I told you I'm not trading anything. I'm analyzing what candle by candlestick by candlestick. So the next one, what do we have here? This next candle here, look at this, is it pin bar or what? I don't know. Look at this bearish candle. It has a wick. This wick this has is now giving us what something. Because of this wick, already I know that okay, price has to do all of this, because of this wick alone. Because of this wick, look at it. Let me repeat myself again. Because of this wick that what it formed, I now know that okay, the next candle will trade what lower, but we don't want to see a body closure below this low of the what. It cannot do that of this what candle, but it can wick and go higher. So this now gave me that okay, I'm expecting all this what price, but I don't expect it to be what long like this, like all those time distortion, almost like 30 minutes what candle. So this candle alone has tells the story that okay, the next candle will actually what trade inside of this what week. So I was just waiting for price action to what present itself. So the next candle that we hit, look at, we hit this what low. Do you have a body closure? No. And I have what another thing similar to this here. So I think on M1 this could be my entry here. So my stop loss will be just 2 ticks or 2 pips below this, just or 1 pips here. I normally use 1 pip below my initial stop loss. It's actual stop loss. So I could have entered it because I was using 2 minutes. All this thing information is not available. So I don't want to go into 1 minute. Because I just love the 2 minutes. At times 3 minutes is okay. So once this occur like this, I can enter here, can enter long position here. As soon as this candle is trading down, then I'm entering. Then my stop loss just got 1 pips. So initial one is that is 2.3 stop loss, and I can just maybe yeah 0.5 below it, yeah 0.5 1 pips or something like that. So in this case I will use 1 pips below the initial stop loss. So because of spread and some other thing, so I'm factoring everything out. Then your target will be here. So I'm targeting 1, 2, 3. This trade has what met the what requirement. So but I was on the 2 minute time frame and I'm not seeing any of this. So on the 2 minute, once I have this where I entered on 2 minutes. Because price is doing this, we comes price came down into this, go higher, and this is the last one, go higher again. And this next candle, this is the what where because of this it has done. Because all those things we are seeing now, like here, 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 they are just what time distortion. So once this has done, I think on 2 minutes I saw something very similar. Just enter the trade. If you think it's just a hindsight, you're deceiving yourself. So when this thing occur like this, and this candle has traded and it's going high, I entered immediately. My stop loss was here. That is immediate because I know it cannot come back again. So and the 2 minutes candle close. Once it close, another candle open. So I was hoping that okay, this high of the last candle, this candle will touch it and continue going high. That is another one reason for buy limit here. But anyway, 1 to 3 is back on the lenders on my London session. So if you think it's just random, how do I even explain it to you? Because I know it sounds very new, and most of people will not understand this. It's just very simple approach to the market. So you see this line, let me make it black. So let me delete this level here. Yeah, so that you can see it. So let me also delete this line. So those are two important levels I'm watching. You see this black line? That is where I don't want to see a body closure. I told you that okay, we can have a body closure. I'm waiting for what? Another candle to what? Cancel it back. Look at it. Have this body closure. Then what happened? Into this next line again. Then it went back to the what? Upside. It cancelled this. That this candle has cancelled it. No body closure. Then another one again. Look at how the algorithm is doing it. You don't want to close above it. Sorry, below it rather. So the next candle, look at it here. We have a body closure. The other one, so it cancel it back again because that is not what it's supposed to do. So another candle here, a body closure, it cancel it back again. Look at how he's doing it. Then and ultimately another candle have what? A body, another cancellation to the what upside. So this is when I now enter the trade on the 2 minute time frame. So like if you think it's just what random, it's not random. Or you think it's just against your luck. So this is where I close my position at least 1 to 3. So what did I see that made me close the position? I know it's a scalping trade. I'm not holding long. So once I see this candle, look at this. So this candle will have what, a body closure below it. This to me alone is okay. Market is what willing to go to what downside. The first one is it can go into this fair value gap and continue higher. But I don't want to because I already hit my 1 to 3 or more than. So I don't want to risk it back again. I just close the position here at 1 to 3. Then once this candle occur like this, the next one I'm watching, the line I'm watching here, look at it. This line here. I don't want to see a body closure. Let me make it black. Maybe you think it's just random. I don't want to see a body closure above it. So this candle that have what, a body closure. Then I told you before that okay, once you have a body closure, I'm waiting for the next candle to cancel it back again. Immediately leave it because the algorithm doesn't have to do this. The algos know that it doesn't have to do this. So this is why you see this immediately what and immediate candle what trading down again. So this candle is not what has cancelled this closure above it. Then once this thing happen, you can enter here, enter a short position, but the entry criteria is okay, you should at least 1 to 3. So from your stop loss is here, and this stop loss is here, but if you want to, yeah, it's here. So and you can just target this fair value gap or 50% of this fair value gap, but the entry criteria is not met. So because I don't want to use more to it's too it's not up to 1 to 3. So the next candle, what does it do? I know for sure that you must have what a reaction from here, this fair value gap. There must be a reaction. So, but how far can it go? So this candle, we have a body closure here. So this is the last candle that you have got a body closure. Look at this last candle. Let me show you something. It has to hit the 50%. This thing, you think it's random. The 50% of it, look at it. That is how far this candle can go. Yeah, look at it. Look at this candle. That's how far it can go. 50% of it. Plus, if you also see it, you see that you have this inversion fair value gap, then price hit it and continue going what down. So I don't want to explain much. I think this is my what my entry criteria and daily buy, they are just the same thing. What I'm looking on the higher time frame, I'm also looking at the same thing on the what lower time frame. I think this should help. If you have any question, you can drop it and I'll answer it, and I'll show along the way. I think I have something very special because I don't think people understand this concept very easy. But I will be doing a series. I will call it what A to Z, my A to Z strategy. Then I will be breaking down maybe 10 minutes long. I will be breaking down step by step why I'm looking at this trade. So don't forget to like. Your comment is very important to me. Then like, and you can also, if you want, dislike the video. But this is true. This exactly how the what market is what moving. It is being controlled. Let me clear the air. It is being controlled by what algorithm. It's not your selling pressure or buying pressure or volume of anything. It's being controlled. So see, talk to you next time.